Well, you know, when thousands of children grow up in poverty in Ontario, who should we blame? Well, we could blame parents, mainly fathers, who refuse to pay child support. Let's talk about it on Goldhawk Live. One of the biggest problems in usually the moms left at home with the kids that I've heard about is the fact that they could never find out what exactly was going on. What was their status? Here they are, desperate for money. People like Eileen McGillis, desperate for money, and no way of really being able to find out what exactly was going on. Do you hear that as well?
Yeah. And as Renata said, one of the problems is it's a government institution. There's a phone number that you can call. It's a 1-800 number, and often people would call and either would have a busy signal or would have to stay on hold for indefinite periods of time, not being able to even speak to a human voice for them to get the information that they needed about their own situation.
Yeah. Now, you deal with these matters in court. What's something that, if we suddenly put you in charge, what are some of the things that you would do to make this a better situation?
Well, one of the ideas with this advancement in the use of information technology is to allow people who today, for the most part, do have access to the Internet to be able to tap in to their own FRO, Family Responsibility Office file, to find out exactly what's going on, much like anybody would, for example, do online banking, and find out, did the money go in, what sort of steps were taken for enforcement purposes, is there the intention by the Family Responsibility Office maybe to suspend a license in 30 days? This is the sort of information that the support recipient wants to know is being done on their behalf to get the money in. It's right in the question that you ask. Why should there be such an effort to collect the money for typically the biological children of a parent? There's a problem inherent in the question in that, really, every parent should want to pay support so that their kids can have a good life.